Hey, thanks for clicking on my ThumbReel demo video. And in this video, I'm going to open up ThumbReel and create an actual thumbnail that I'm going to use for another video. So you're going to get to see the guts of it, what the program looks like as you're creating a thumbnail, and then go from there. Now, if you are interested, I'm also going to throw in a bonus a little later on in the video that I think you're really going to like. But let's go ahead and get started now so you can see what it looks like to create a thumbnail. All right, so there are lots of thumbnail options to choose from. There's one in particular that I kind of liked, and I'm gonna design that one. So this right here is the preview of it. And you can see you can preview it or edit it, so I'm gonna click edit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open my own image instead of using this image. I'm gonna click images, and then uploads, and I'm gonna upload an image. So I'll pick this image here, and I'm going to then expand the image to about there. And we'll leave that about there. Now I'm going to hit the Move a Layer Back button. I'm going to go ahead and grab this and get this kind of out of the way for the moment. I'm going to scoot this out of the way. And I'm going to click these two and expand them. So I'll put these right about here. That might be too much. Let's move back just a little bit. And I'm going to stick this here. And I'm going to say ThumbReel. And this is going to say review. Delete that one. And I need this red just to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to click on this one and stretch it out just a bit. Maybe just a little more. Okay. All right, so as I move this around, the red looks good. I need the black to be scooted over just a tad. There we go. And that's fine. Then I'm going to move this over here. So I'd like this 10 to be a plus sign instead. So I'm going to do a plus, and then I'm actually going to go just backspace. And I'm going to put a bonus right here. Bonds bonus. All right, so it says ThumbReel review plus free bonus. At this point, I'm fine with this thumbnail. I'll go ahead and utilize this one, and you'll probably see it on my YouTube channel. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to add a free bonus if you get ThumbReel through this link right here, and that is 6 simple tips to make your phone videos look more professional. You are already interested in video, you already use video for whatever reason, and this video series helps you to understand certain things like framing and background, lighting do's and don'ts, good audio, filling your frame, having a clear topic, shooting horizontally, a lot of different things that will help you to shoot better video on your actual phone itself. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and get ThumbReel at the link right here. Once you do that, I want you to send me a copy of your receipt, and you'll see that in the description below, and I will send you over the free video series. Thanks again for watching, and I hope the video was helpful.